Alright, Sean here, 347 small block Ford gives Christian's combinations. Got the Edelbrock Air Gap. We got the DSS 650 on it, MSD Pro Billet, custom grind hydraulic roller. Got a set of our CNC heads on it. Got the rear sump oil pan, beautiful hinge air front end. Got a SCAT Crank, eagle rods, and our custom DSS Pistons. We'll go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Dope, 3,800, 393 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 434, peak horsepower 491, rated 500. This front end is about 20 horsepower, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean. Show you a couple things. When you see your engine, you'll find a single inside your credit card, it's USB card, full of technical information. I would recommend watching it. On the engine will be this tag. It will have your engine number and some other stuff. If anything from us, the engine number is the easiest way to look you up. Flip it over. Have a QR code on it, and that'll take you some more tech stuff. So have a great day.